The four-column hydraulic press is composed of PLC electrical control system, pour pump station, and machine host. Machine body steel plate welding. The main cylinder and guide post are forged. The whole machine can be suitable for high-strength production, long service life, stable accuracy. The machine has three operation modes of manual, semi-automatic, and automatic operation, which are suitable for mode installation and debugging, product production, and other different scenarios. The hydraulic press is widely used, suitable for all kinds of metal materials, composite materials, powder materials processing and forming. Welcome friends from all world come to negotiate business.